Hey everyone, this is Greg with CostCertified. Today I want to show you another really important feature, and that is how to make sure you're saving your quotes correctly. So I'm going to go into this one here that we've started here with Tracy, and we're going to add something else into this one here. So I'm just going to click Add. I'm going to go into the library, and we're going to pick something from Demo, add that one in. And now we want to make sure that we actually save this to the proposal. So when you send it out, or if you want to come back into it to review it, we will just make sure that it's saved. So in the bottom right-hand corner, you see Save. All you need to do is click that and then go Save Changes. It will do its thing in the background here, and it will just tell you that it's saving. You can still progress through and add other items or do anything like that, but then when it's finished, it will tell you that it's saved, and it will turn gray and give you a little check mark stating that it is completed.